And I did. I stopped the video. We weren't recording that entire time we were up. Oh, no. Just paid attention to keep it from spinning off. Nah, I'm good. Appreciate you, though. You ready?
Yeah. Is it recording now?
Yeah, it's recording. I did that last week. Yeah, it's pretty bad. I was up there like 2 days before it happened, and then I went like the day it started, and I got stopped probably a mile before I hit Topanga, and they made me turn around. Yeah, it was a lot worse the other day.
I was trying to comment it, but it's like kind of be a looky loo, right? You see how fucked up it looks from over here, man.
Yeah. All right, brother, have a good one. You good?
Yeah.
Your backpack is on backwards, so you're not good.
I was like, I couldn't feel it because of the gloves. But I was like, it should be okay. Is the thing good? Mike? I'll put it on myself.
Yeah, it should be fine.
Okay, cool.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
You ready for my weight?
Yeah.
My weight.
Oh my God, you're so heavy.
What?
All right.
Let's go.
He was nice.
Yeah.
He just wanted someone to talk to.
Yeah.
What is she doing? Being a weirdo? This is Ray's playa. Did you know that? We stopped. We're good. Now we gotta go. This guy's making me real uncomfortable.
Oh my God.
The one that's doing fucking paperwork, yeah. He's doing his fucking paperwork in his car.
Woo! The beats.
What's up, dude? Oh, there's two of them in there. Hood squirrels.
Two.
Yeah.
I was wondering if it was the bunnies or the. They're not letting anybody through?
No.
Oh.